What is up, guys, and welcome back to B-Man's World. In this video I'm building an entire metal knight 3D model, and I'm doing it in a shorts, so I'm going to show you the parts right now. So I did the legs, got the feet, shins, thighs, mid torso. Then I got the chest piece, the collar, the helmet, the front skirt. So I did the arms, the hands, and the top shoulders. Then I did the sword. I also did the base that he's gonna stand on. And then I attached the arms to the body, fastening it up. The fasteners are here on the arms, right up here at the shoulder. So then I attached the legs to the base, and now I attached the top portion to legs. So that's how that looks like. So I'm gonna put the final touches, and then I'm gonna just give you a quick recap on how I built this metal 3D knight. Alright guys, so I attached the sword, his cape, and on top of the sword there is this cross detail over here. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna put him on a stand, and you can see him rotate. So guys, I will do a in-depth review on how I built him, but I just wanted to make this quick shorts for you guys. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Bop. Alright guys, here is my Templar knight. So it's a 3D metal build. I built everything from scratch. My hands are hurting. This is definitely not a project for anyone who's scared of sharp objects. This whole knight is made out of metal. So guys, if you want me to drop down an in-depth review of how I built it, please let me know. Without any further ado, make sure you hit that subscribe button, share, like, drop any comments. B-Man and this cool metal knight are out. Bop!